Hi guys, so welcome to this video. In this video we are going to create a suspension using Creo Parametric. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's get into the video. Now let's create our part. Click on new and enter the part name as suspension and click on OK. So now first we are going to extrude a part and click on extrude, and now it's create an extrude on the front plane. Let's go for the sketch view, and now I am going to draw a circle here, the diameter of 50, and I am going to extrude it to a value of 350, and I want this to be a symmetry extrude which is on both the sides, and click on OK. So now let's go for the standard orientation. So click this surface and go for the sketch and sketch view, and here we are going to draw a circle with the diameter of 100 and click on OK. I am going to extrude this to a value of 8 and click on OK. So next we are going to select this face, inner face, and going for the sketch view. Then I am going to draw a concentric circles with the diameter of 100 as a bigger circle and a smaller circle as a value of 98, and I am going to give OK and extrude it value of 100 and click on OK. So now I am going to sketch this plane, go for the sketch and sketch view, and here I am going to create a spring. For that we need to create a reference here, and first we need to draw a center line, and let's draw a line from this reference to a point, and this line length is of 300 and this length is of 40. So I am going to give OK, then go for sweep and helical sweep and go for the sketch and the sketch view. Here I am going to draw a circle with the diameter of 15 and click on OK. So you can see our sweep is completed. So you can reduce the pitch. So I am entering a value of 20 and I am going to click OK. So after creating the spring, we are going to create another plane. Click on plane and click this front plane. So I need this plane towards the direction of right side or towards bottom, and I am going to enter a value of 130 and click on OK. Now I am going to sketch this newly created plane and go for the sketch view. Now I am going to draw a circle with the diameter of 90. So let's extrude it. I am going to extrude it to a value of 5, or you can extrude it to a value of 6 and click on OK. Next select this outer surface and go for the sketch. So now I am going to draw concentric circles again, where the inner dia is of 50 and the outer diameter of this is 55, and I am going to extrude it to a value of 20 and click on OK. So then our part is almost completed. So let's create our final part. Click on this right plane and sketch and go for the sketch view. So here I am going to create a reference line for this edge, and I am going to draw a circle, and I am going to make this reference and this circle end as a tangent. And now let's enter the diameter of this circle as 60, and I am going to draw another circle to a value of 30 with the same center point. So then click on OK. I am going to extrude it in both the directions to a value of 50. So now we need this concentric circles on this plane. So I am going to mirror this extrude. Click on this extrude and go for mirror and select the center plane. So it matches exactly. So click on OK. So let's round these edges towards. So enter a value of 6 for this round, and for this round, and this. And round this edges also to a value of 6 and click on OK. And round this edges also. So our part is completed. So let's give some appearances. Before that, unclick all this. So let's go for the view and appearances. I am going to give metal color for this. So I am increasing the color of blue. Now I am going to place this color for the springs. So click on OK. So then I am going to create a new color, same as metal, black color. So click on this color and go for the part and select the entire part and click on OK. So this rod is of metal, so I am giving a pure metal color for this. So our part is completed. So to get a clear metallic color, go for shading with reflections. So you will get a clear metallic color for this. So thanks for watching, guys. So if you want more videos related to mechanical engineering or any other content, you can comment below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to like this video.